Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of IQmatic's trading robot, a giant in the world of automated trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just starting out, this platform promises to revolutionize your trading experience. Let's explore what IQmatic has to offer and determine if it's the right fit for you. IQmatic is an AI-powered trading bot designed to work seamlessly with the IQ option platform. Developed by TradeMedics LLC, this tool aims to automate trading strategies, allowing users to trade various assets like forex, commodities, and indices without manual intervention. The platform boasts a user base spanning over 130 countries, supporting 13 languages, and claims over 1.8 million trader accounts. With its integration of TradingView charts, users have access to advanced technical analysis tools, enhancing their trading decisions. One of the standout features is the $10,000 demo account, enabling users to test strategies risk-free before committing real funds. This is particularly beneficial for beginners looking to familiarize themselves with automated trading. Now let us talk about the main features of using IQmatic. User-friendly interface. Designed with simplicity in mind, the platform allows for quick setup and customization, making it accessible even for those new to trading. Automated trading strategies. IQmatic employs proven strategies and powerful indicators like RSI, MACD, and CCI to execute trades based on technical analysis. TradingView integration. By incorporating TradingView charts, users can leverage advanced charting tools, stock screeners, and economic calendars to inform their trading decisions. Multi-device accessibility. Whether you're in desktop or on mobile device, IQmatic ensures a smooth trading experience across platforms. 24/7 support. The platform offers round-the-clock support via online chat, ensuring assistance is always available when needed. Security measures. IQmatic emphasizes user security by not having access to withdrawal functions, meaning all funds remain in your exchange account. Now let us talk about the cost. IQmatic offers a free demo account loaded with $10,000 in virtual funds, allowing users to test the platform without any financial commitments. Also, on the homepage of the website, you can see the button Start Trading, it's free, which takes you to register with your email and password. Notably, IQmatic doesn't charge a fixed fee. Instead, users pay based on their trading activity, with fees applied to each trade. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using IQmatic. First, the pros. Ease of use. The intuitive interface makes it accessible for traders of all experience levels. Risk-free testing. The generous demo account allows for strategy testing without financial risk. Advanced tools. Integration with TradingView provides robust analytical tools. Global reach. Support for multiple languages and countries enhances accessibility. How about the cons? Dependence on IQ option. Since it's designed specifically for IQ option, users of other platforms might find it limiting. Performance variability. As with all trading bots, success isn't guaranteed and users may experience losses, especially in volatile markets. In conclusion though, IQmatic offers a compelling suite of features for those looking to automate their trading on the IQ option platform. Its user-friendly design, integration with advanced charting tools, and risk-free demo accounts make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced traders. But here's a word of caution. Let's not forget the fundamental truth about any trading robots. Automated doesn't mean foolproof. The bot may follow the logic and rules you set, but it cannot predict market sentiment shifts, news events, or black swan events. You still need to monitor your strategy and understand the risks involved, particularly in fast-moving markets like forex or crypto. But ultimately, whether IQmatic is the best automated trading bot depends on individual needs and preferences. It's a powerful tool, but like all trading platforms, it requires due diligence and careful considerations. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore NinjaTrader, Eurex Exchange, and Intercontinental Exchange. And that's it on the review of IQmatic trading. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.